everyone, this is Vishal here and welcome once again. So I hope you guys are doing great, and I hope you guys had a wonderful time all this while as well. So coming on straight to the point of the video, where was I all these days, and why did I not come up with any videos all these days? So you guys have been sending me various messages asking me where I was, if I was even alive. I've been receiving messages on Facebook, on Insta. I've been receiving comments on YouTube as well, asking me what the hell happened to me. So yes guys, this video is for you, to tell you what I was up to all these days and why was I not coming up with videos all these days as well. Now if you guys see, it's been almost a month, or more than a month I would say, that I have come up with any videos, and there were certain reasons because of which I couldn't post, I couldn't come up with anything new. The reason being that, now see, if you see, there were two things that were running in my life. One is my personal work was hitting me a lot, and other than that my office work was also affecting me a lot. So coming into my office work, what had happened is, see, before when I was working, the organization that I was working was within the city limits, so it was very easy for me to commute. It would hardly take me say half an hour to 40 minutes to travel every day. And one more opportunity that I got at that point of time was, when I used to travel, I used to take my bike and go. So what happened is, it gave me the opportunity to vlog, it gave me the opportunity to interact with you guys. But now, if you see, my office has shifted to a completely new location. So it's somewhere nearly 30 kilometers away from my house, and it's outside the city limits. So one bad thing that has happened is, instead of traveling by my bike, my office has accepted to give me a cab, because to travel every day for 30-35 kilometers on a bike is very difficult, and especially this traffic now makes it even more horrible to ride. And I don't think it's comfortable for anyone to ride so much. So morning 30 kilometers, evening again 30 kilometers, it's not going to make it easy at all. So again, when I started using the cab service, it gave me a very less opportunity to interact with you guys. I even tried to do it once or twice to try and make a vlog, but trust me guys, it was very difficult for me to ride all this while, and to also continue making a vlog and to keep up the timings, because I had to be in office by 9:30 in the morning as well. So it was very difficult for me. So that affected a lot. Believe me guys, it was very difficult for me to actually keep up that lifestyle, to make a vlog and plus to travel to office. So because of which I couldn't make vlogs, I couldn't come up with anything new. The next thing is, over the last 1.5 months, I'm sure that we all had faced this, the bad summer. It was so bad that, trust me, I couldn't even take out my bike. As I said, I tried to actually take my bike to office once or twice, and it was very difficult for me. So that heat, and especially to ride in that heat in the traffic again, was even more difficult. So you start getting frustrated, you start getting irritated with the people in and around you when you ride, right? So that was very difficult for me. So I couldn't even plan out any rides over the last 1 month, because many people have asked me to just plan a short ride and do something or the other, but I couldn't even step out of my house. It was that bad. And trust me, people who had actually come to office on their own vehicle over the last 1 month, my friends I'm talking about, they had shared their bad instances about what and all happened to them because of the travel. I even said 20 minutes of travel was affecting them that badly. So imagine if I had to travel, it takes me nearly 1.5 hours to reach office every day if I had to go by my bike. So that was one major reason because of which I couldn't vlog all this while as well. Now next, you guys would ask me, what are my future plans? Am I even planning to vlog or not? Or am I even going to continue this or not? And the answer is yes guys, I am going to continue this. I'm trying to actually balance both my work life and this as well. Because see, what happens is, I work throughout the week, and the only time that I get off is on a Saturday sometimes, and Sunday for sure I do get time off. But again, when you get that 1 day time off, you need to give that time to family as well, right? Because they are the most important part of your life. So I need to give that to them, and plus I try to do this as well. So I'm trying to bring that balance between work life and this as well. So I'm sure I can do this. I will come up with videos every week. Initially when I started, I promised you guys 2 videos a week, but 2 videos might be a bit difficult. Over the period of time, I might try to do it, but as of now, yes, 1 video for sure is something that I can commit to you guys. I will come up for sure, because I need to do this, because it's not something that someone is compelling me to do. This is something that I love to do, and I need to do it to make my soul happy, to make you guys happy, and to continue this entire thing. Yes, so I will come up with videos every week guys, and I need your support. I need everything possible from you guys to help me continue to do this. And I hope you guys would support me for sure to get through this rough period of mine. And yeah, trust me, it's very difficult to actually even start up with something like this, or to even vlog now after a month or 1.5 months, because I'm starting to get nervous. I don't know why, but it's been a long while now. So I'm just trying to get over all these things, all these small things, so that I can start in my full swing. I can start doing things the way I used to do it before, and keep entertaining you guys in the best way possible. So I hope you guys would encourage me and give the best that you can from your end. And yeah, if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, and if you guys are new to the channel, do subscribe and do share your support as well over here. And if you have anything to share, do leave your comments below so that I can read them. I can answer you guys, and we can just continue this wonderful thing as it's been running all this while. Thank you guys once again for watching, and you have a wonderful day ahead.